Reading? Oh my god, it's kind of boring thing. I don't want to read. I start falling asleep as soon as I start reading. I'm sure you all can relate to these situations. Hello and welcome back with an interesting or you can say boring topic. Yes, I know reading sounds so boring, but trust me, after watching this video, you're gonna change your mind. In this video, I'll tell you how to create interest towards reading. So, let's begin. Yes, I know reading is boring, but remember that it improves your sentence formation skills more than anything else. Do you remember reading the colorful pages of your book or the pages with interesting cartoonic characters? Those were the center of attraction for us from the whole book. Have you ever thought why is it so? It is all because of our interest. Pictures make reading interesting. Reading academic books, newspapers, and articles are sometimes boring for us. So, here I am with the solution. I'm mentioning 5 interesting books to improve your interest towards reading, which is the first and very important step to learn English. So, our first book is Tinkle Digest or Tinkle Magazine. Tinkle is an Indian magazine for children. It's a comic book filled with colorful cartoonic characters. Hence, there is no scope of getting bored. The language used is very simple and easy. So, in my opinion, it is best for the beginners. Next book I'll suggest you is one of my all-time favorite, Goosebumps. It's a mystery novel. Reading a mystery challenges us to read closely and bands us with the story. It compels us to read and foster a love of reading. So, without any delay, guys, just hop into your favorite mystery novel. And don't forget to comment below your favorite mystery novel so that I can also read it. So, our next book is Born a Crime. It's a biography. Yes, you had it right. It's a biography. But don't worry, it's not boring at all. It is quite simple and interesting. You have to read this. The White Tiger is the next book in our list. It is the debut novel of an Indian author Arvind Adiga. It was published in 2008 and won the 40th Man Booker Prize in the same year. The characters and the places discussed in this novel are quite familiar to us, like Balram and Delhi. This will help us to stay tuned with it. That's why it's a good choice to start your journey with. A Thousand Splendid Suns is the next book in our list. It's a mother daughter story written by a famous Afghan American author Khalid Hosseini. He has also written The Kite Runner, which is a father son story. A Thousand Splendid Suns focuses primarily on female characters and their role in Afghan society. So, if you are interested in learning about the different cultures and societies, then this book will be the best start for you. So, these were the 5 books which you can read to improve your English as well as to maintain your interest in reading. Apart from this, you can also read The Alchemist, Lord of the Flies, The Giver, The Old Man and the Sea, The Wind and the Willows, and many more. But if you are a beginner, then choose the smaller ones to start your reading. Choosing smaller books over the thick ones help in retaining the interest in reading. So that's all for today, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button because it motivates me to create more such content. See you soon with some more amazing stuff. Till then, bye bye, take care, keep learning, and stay safe.